Are you looking for the best masher powders? In this video we will look at some of the best masher powders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Ippudu Tea Company Sayaka. Sayaka Masher is from Ippudu, a family-run Japanese tea company with a long history dating back to 1717. They offer more than 30 blends of tea, and their Sayaka Masher is known for its exceptional light and slightly sweet taste and medium body with a hint of umami. It has a vibrant green color and smooth texture and is made from shade-grown and stone-ground tea leaves. It can be enjoyed on its own hot or iced and with milk or non-dairy milk. It is a great choice for masher lovers of all levels, but especially for beginners due to its subtle flavors. Grade Ceremonial Region Uji, Japan, size 1.4 ounce, 40 g. Number 2. Incher Ceremonial Grade. Incher offers hand-picked USDA organic masher sourced from farms in Uji, Japan. The tea is made from finely ground, shade-grown tea leaves. Incher masher uses first harvest tea leaves which are known for having a richer green, vibrant color and a well-rounded sweeter taste that is slightly grassy and earthy but still smooth. There is approximately 60 milligrams of caffeine in each serving, higher than some others we've listed here but still lower than the approximately 95 milligrams found in a cup of coffee. It also contains 24 milligrams of the calming amino acid L-theanine. The combination of these attributes plus the low price makes this our choice for best value. Grade Ceremonial Region Uji, Japan, size 1.06 ounce, 30 g. Number 3. Gold Pure Masher. Gold's masher is sourced from shade-grown tea leaves. The shading process boosts the amount of chlorophyll and theanine, the cognitive-boosting amino acid found in the tea leaves. Gold uses stone-ground masher leaves from Uji, Japan, a region known for producing some of world's best matcha. It is a ceremonial grade green tea powder, which means it is better for drinking over culinary grade matcha that's preferred for baking. It has a sweet and grassy flavor and tastes great hot, iced or served as a latte. Grade Ceremonial Region Uji, Japan, size 1.4 ounce, 40 g. Number 4. Jade Leaf Masher Tea House Edition. Jade leaf is shade-grown and offers both ceremonial and culinary grade matchas. We taste tested the ceremonial grade, which is grown in the Kagoshima and Uji regions, both popular areas for cultivating matcha. This pick is USDA certified organic and COV organic, as well as Whole 30 approved for those following the dietary plan. It contains approximately 30 to 40 milligrams of caffeine per serving, or the equivalent of 1/3 of a cup of coffee. It has a light and very smooth flavor, making it the perfect choice for an iced latte or served hot or with milk or non-dairy milk. Grade Ceremonial Region Kagoshima and Uji region, size 1.06 ounce, 30 g. Number 5. Now Organic Matcha. Now Foods is best known as a family-owned supplement company, but they also offer many superfood products, including this USDA certified organic matcha powder. This pick is culinary grade, making it a great choice for adding to smoothies or for use in baking, although it can be enjoyed mixed with water, milk or non-dairy milk. It is very low in caffeine and a great choice for those that are more caffeine sensitive. It contains approximately 16 milligrams of caffeine in a 1 gram, 1 teaspoon, serving, which is much lower than the average cup of coffee that has approximately 95 milligrams of caffeine. Our nutrition pros appreciate that Now uses rigorous testing practices throughout their manufacturing process to ensure safe products. Grade Culinary Region Japan, size 3 ounces, 85 g.